I got this Sidewinder tool from Gasket Pro Tools and I just cannot stop using it, and I'm going to tell you why. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Way from Fade to Black. Like I always say, man, I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you guys commenting, and I definitely appreciate you guys hanging out with me on the Wednesday night live streams. Man, I'm learning so much from you guys, and I missed the Thanksgiving one, but I was really looking forward to this week, and I appreciate you guys that came through and hung out with me. Now, most of you guys know I am not a crazy fanatic when it comes to all this different stuff, man. I keep it really super simple, and I've been meaning to pick up a few tools lately. You know, shout out to Jay Bird because he sent me one of these handheld type of squeegees, and I'm really feeling the handheld squeegees. I don't like the big handled ones, especially when you're doing roll-ups and stuff like that. The handled ones, they seem to be too big, they're bulky, they're bumping around inside the door, but I'm liking these little smaller handheld ones. Now for me, I just got this Sidewinder from Gasket Pro Tools. I think the thing is awesome. Now, I'm just gonna tell you a couple quick reasons why I think this thing is sweet, all right? So, number one, this thing like fits my hand perfectly. I mean, I got a big hand, but this thing fits my hand perfectly. Number two, it's flexible. So, I mean, this thing can almost shape to the curvature of the window when you're pushing on it, whether you're going left or right, or whether you're going up or down, this thing fits the curvature of the glass. So to me, that is awesome because you're not getting missed areas of Window Tinting Solution that haven't been squeegeed out. Now, this yellow blade really moves a lot of good solution underneath the film too. So with just a few passes, I find that the solution is really clearing itself out. So you're not gonna have a lot of missed solution areas because if you use this right, man, it'll just cover that. It'll just get that right out of the film. Now, another thing about this thing is that little angled cut tip. Now, I know you can probably just cut a lot of blades yourself and use that, but this one came with that tip, and this little edge here really helps to get in the edges behind all the seals. So I find myself just using this, and I'm not even using like a tri-edge that much anymore, unless I got an area that's really deep. This will get in there. So even around the tops of the windows, on the side seals, this thing does it all. And this thing works really well to clean the glass too. So I'm using it as a cleaner. I'm using it as an installer because it slides on the film. I'm using it for everything. So I got a Dodge Ram behind me. I'm just gonna do a front match on it. This customer dropped it off. We did a lift kit that I supplied for him. He brought some rims and tires for it. We're gonna do a bed liner from another company, and we're also gonna do a bed cover on it and full interface. So we hooked this thing totally up. You know, in Fade to Black, we can do that if you wanna bring your vehicle and do everything or most of the things in one spot other than engine repairs. But so I'm just gonna do the front match on this vehicle. That's all the customer wanted as far as tint, and I'm gonna show you how I use this thing to do my installations. So that was the install using that Sidewinder tool. Man, I love that thing. As you can see in the video, it was able to get into the edges all the way around, even the bottom edge. I didn't even need to use a tri-edge or anything like that, other than to tuck the film on the bottom. But around all the side seals, that tool totally got in there and got all the solution out. So that thing works awesome. Like I said before, man, I really like that tool. I am not paid or sponsored by anyone, but I think it's an awesome tool if you guys want to go check it out, man. I'll leave a link to that tool down below. Like I said, it's not an affiliate link. It's just something that I believe in. I think that works awesome. So this is a quick install, 20% front match on this Dodge Ram. Man, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay faded. Peace.